Hello everybody, welcome to Python programming examples for beginners and professional video series. So in this video, I'm going to explain about how to generate a prime number in a given range and its count. So let us see the code of this program. This is the Python shell. I'll go to file, I'll create new file. So this is the program we are going to implement Python program to print prime numbers in a given range and its count. To implement this, I need a range. For that, I need a starting number and the end number. I'll use one variable called start. I'll get the start number from the user. So then I'll read the end number. I'll store it in a variable called end. Now I got the range, that is the starting number I got and the end number I got. I'll declare one count variable and initialize to 0 because I want to do keep track of how many of the prime numbers are there in the given range. I'll use the for loop for a given range. Like the variable I'll use num in a range. I have to start from the start value to end plus 1. Check whether that particular number is prime or not. I will make use of one more for loop. For I variable I'll take in range. I'll start from 2, then I'll go up to this number. That is I'll make use of a variable called num. Okay, so this is the inner for loop to check whether the number is prime or not. Then I'll use if condition to check that number is divisible by any other number or not. Mod I is equal to 0. Then what I'll do is I will break from the loop. Now you can use else with the for in Python. If everything went well in the for loop, then this else will get executed, else this else will be skipped. Here I am printing that number, that is num. Then I'll increment the count because we got one prime number. For that I'll increment the my count variable. Then this will repeat until it reaches n plus 1. Now finally I'll print out of the loop. I'm printing. So I'm printing the total prime numbers in a given range is equal to count. I'll save this. You can see here I use two for loops. This is the outer for loop for the given numbers, and this is the inner for loop to check whether the number is prime or not. If the number is not a prime, if the number get divisible by any other number, we are breaking it. Whenever this statement get executed, this else part will not be executed. Control will go to the outer for loop. The num variable will take the next number in a range, and that again for that number we have to check whether that number is prime or not. So let us see the output. Enter the starting range, I'll give 10. Enter the end range, I'll give 20. So in this, you can see that there are total, 4 prime numbers are there. That is 11, 13, 17, and 19. Dear friends, I hope you understood this. Thank you.